What is Decentraland? What do you think of live concerts? How about viewing art galleries? Doing gambling on the Atari gaming system? If any of these seem like appealing concepts, Decentraland is the blockchain game for you. Welcome to Crypto Lessons. Here we explain topics of cryptocurrency, NFTs, blockchain, and Metaverse from an educational perspective, using analogies, stories, and examples with whiteboard animations, so you can easily understand them. In this video, we're going to explain what Decentraland is, who's the development team behind the game, how it works, the mana tokens, and any potential problems with this blockchain game. What exactly is Decentraland? Decentraland is an Ethereum-based decentralized virtual reality platform. It serves as a complete virtual environment in which users can purchase virtual land. Users are free to develop, enjoy, and commercialize whatever they want on their own land. The land in Decentraland is represented by a non-fungible token, or NFT, called simply land. These plots can be developed and made into anything the user desires. Users can even interact with one another because the platform is a peer-to-peer network. Furthermore, because Decentraland is a decentralized autonomous organization, also known as a DAO, users can participate in what's known as network governance. Now, who created Decentraland? Esteban Ordano founded Decentraland. Metaverse Holdings Limited is the name under which it is registered. The project is headquartered in Beijing, China. Esteban Ordano, the founder, is a well-known personality in the crypto world, having previously worked as a prominent software developer at BitPay. His previous experience includes working on Copay and leading the team that produced the Streamium app. Ordano is credited with co-developing Bitcore, a key Bitcoin infrastructure library. He and other members of the Decentraland team founded Voltaire, a blockchain-focused hackerspace in Argentina. Decentraland was established in 2015, but the real action began in August of 2017, when the blockchain game held its initial coin offering, or ICO. Almost 20 million was raised in this ICO, which sold almost 40% of the total supply of mana. The first land auction, conducted in December of the same year, allowed developers to select and purchase excellent virtual property areas. The land marketplace went active in March of 2018. By August of 2019, the DAO-based game had offered configurable avatars with unique passports. How does it work? Decentraland's virtual environment is a metaverse, in which users can purchase virtual parcels of land. These parcels are represented by distinct NFTs called land and estates. The owners of these plots are then free to publish whatever they choose on their plots. Once purchased, the user owns the virtual land indefinitely, unless they choose to sell it. Furthermore, once a user's land has been sold, no central entity can take it over. These specific owners' rights protect the platform's decentralized ethos. All of the parcels of land are then recorded on a blockchain-backed ledger. Users can explore Decentraland's metaverse using an avatar as they can in practically all other virtual environments. This enables the user to purchase artwork from the Crypto Valley art gallery or trade with other users in Bartertown. Users can also attend Decentraland University to learn more about the system. Aside from that, players can purchase other unique NFTs which include exceptional things. These objects are virtual collectibles that can be traded on the Decentraland marketplace. Decentraland's code is built on the Ethereum network in terms of digital infrastructure. It's made up of several layers, each with its own particular function. The consensus layer, content layer, and real-time layer are among them. The consensus layer is in charge of keeping a ledger that tracks the ownership of purchased and sold land parcels. Each parcel in the virtual world has its own unique coordinates, and the ledger also includes the owner's name and a description file. The content layer is concerned with what occurs within each parcel of land. Everything that people publish in their territories is managed by the content layer. Specific files are also required to comprehend how the content layer operates. Content files, script files, and interaction definitions are among the files. The term content files refers to all audiovisual content, whereas script files are concerned with the arrangement and behavior of the content. Finally, the concept of interaction includes user-to-user interactions such as gestures, voice chat, and texting. What are mana tokens? Mana is Decentraland's native cryptocurrency. It's an ERC20 token that serves as the primary means of transferring value across the platform. However, it's not only the platform's currency, it also grants users voting rights, since they can participate in the governance of Decentraland by utilizing mana. Users must first convert their mana into wrapped mana, or W mana, and lock it in the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO, in order to participate in platform governance. In governance proposals, each W mana represents one vote. In addition to mana, Decentraland has two other tokens, land and estates. In the realm of Decentraland, land denotes the pieces of land or plots that the users own. Like mana, land entitles users to voting rights, but it doesn't have to be locked up. As for estate tokens, these represent various parcels of land owned by a single person that are linked together. Estates also grant the proprietor vote rights, with the voting power equal to the sum of all plots owned. Land and estates are ERC-721 tokens, as opposed to mana, which is an ERC-20. An ERC-20 token is fungible, which implies that each token is identical, just as all mana tokens are the same. ERC-721 tokens, on the other hand, are non-fungible tokens, which implies that each token has a distinguishing feature that sets it apart from the others. Where can Decentraland be purchased? Mana can be purchased using the KuCoin exchange in the same way that many other cryptocurrencies can. You have the option of placing a market buy or a limit buy. You select the price you're willing to pay with a limit purchase, and your order is filled once the token price hits your limit price. If you need the token urgently, you can place a market order in which you agree to pay the current price and have your order filled almost instantly. If you want to buy Decentraland, you can do so by going to KuCoin or Binance US, Gemini, or Binance Global. What are my thoughts on Decentraland? Although the notion of Decentraland is novel, the medium through which it is realized, NFTs, is not. The rivalry in this market is fierce. Big names in the NFT space include Axie Infinity, Chiliz, Engine Coin, and Rarible. Decentraland appears to have a lot of competition. As if that wasn't enough, Facebook just opted to rebrand itself as Meta, demonstrating its ambition to build a Metaverse network of its own. This puts Decentraland in direct rivalry with one of the world's largest corporations. There's also fear that most people are unaware of the notion of an NFT, and that mainstream adoption will take time. Most people are unlikely to be willing to invest thousands of dollars in virtual land. As a result, the concept will take some time to catch on. Users of Decentraland have frequently expressed dissatisfaction with the virtual world's lack of interactivity. There's also a general lack of variation in Decentraland's terrain. I hope you got a ton of value from this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Crypto Lessons. So I'm curious, what are your thoughts on Decentraland? Have you personally played this blockchain game? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.